In this lecture, we're going to show convert entities and offset entities tools. Offset entities we showed already before, but now we're going to show on some different examples. Here we have this cylinder, and now we want to create a new sketch on this cylinder. And we want to create a circle with the same diameter of this cylinder. So let's create a sketch here. Let's choose this face and let's click on the sketch. Now we can go normal 2, like this. So there is one way how we can create the same circle with the same diameter. We can go here to the circle, we can choose center point, and we can drag this to this edge. And this is one way. And there's nothing wrong with this way. But there is the easiest way how we can do this. Let's select this and let's delete. We can go here to convert entities. And now here we can choose which entities we want to convert. We can click on this face and let's click OK. And now as you see, we immediately created a sketch circle with the same diameter as this cylinder. And now we can use this circle, for example, for extrusion. We can go to features, extrude it, like this, and OK. Now as you saw, you can use edges of the previously created model to create a new sketch by using convert entities. So let's create a new sketch on this face. Let's go normal 2, like this. And now we want to create a new rectangle that's going to have the same dimension as this rectangle. So we go to convert entities. We can choose here edge by edge, like this. We can choose like this. We can click OK. And now we have a new sketch. Now let's exit this sketch. Or we can create a new sketch, for example, on this face. Let's go normal 2. And let's go to convert entities and let's choose this face. And let's click OK. And now we have a new sketch here. Now let's exit sketch. And let's create a new sketch on this face. Like this. Let's go normal 2. And now we want to create a sketch that will follow this edge here, here, and here. So we can go here to the sketch, new sketch, on this face. Let's go to convert entities. We're going to convert this edge here. We're going to convert this edge here, this edge here, and this edge here. And let's click OK. And now we got this sketch. Now we can go to trim and we can trim this like this and click OK. And we got this sketch. So we were converting edges of the previously created model to create a new sketch. Now we can go to features, Extruded Boss base. Let's go here, reverse direction, and click OK. And now we got this feature here, as we can see. But not only that we can convert edges into sketches, we can also work with offset entities. For example, let's go to this bottom face. Let's create a new sketch here. Like this. Let's go normal 2. Now let's go here and let's choose offset entities. So we have the offset here, offset distance, 10 millimeters. Let's click on this face. And now we can see the preview here. So we don't have a sketch here. We are using offset entities from the edges, not from the sketch. But you can use both edges and sketches. We can go here to reverse, as we like it. We can go by directional, like this. And let's uncheck here, construction geometry, like this. And let's click OK. And now we got this sketch here without using any line. Now we can go to features, Extruded Boss base, for example. And let's click OK. And this is our feature. Or you can go here and create a sketch here. Let's go here, normal 2. Let's go to offset entities. Let's choose this face. Let's uncheck bidirectional, like this. Let's go with 5 millimeters. And let's go reverse, like this. Let's click OK. Features, Extruded Boss base. We can increase the depth to 40 and OK. And now we got this result. So offset entities and sketch entities are really useful when you are creating sketches. You can use previously created edges and you can convert them into sketches, and they can increase your speed of the sketch creation.